Hello everyone, friends! On the channel today I will show you how to install Anaconda on Windows. Accordingly, go to the browser and write Anaconda Python here. Go to the first site and click respectively Get Start. Here, log in with your Google account. I'll choose one of my accounts for the video. So here we choose Windows in my case, and in yours, since this video for Windows is, respectively, Anaconda distribution. Accordingly, there is a loading. It may take some time because after all, 1 gigabyte will be downloaded. After that, open this exe file. For example, we open such an installer. Click Next, click Yes. Accordingly, we install it only for me. I accidentally launched 2. Here, click Next, choose a place. Yes, I'll select the E drive, so I'll create a new folder for it. Here, click OK, click Next. Accordingly, you can install some libraries here or make it automatically. In short, choose everything you need. So click Install. That's it. I think there is no point in pausing here. Let's put it down. It's good that I paused because in the end it took a long time. Click Next and click Next. And accordingly you can run Anaconda. That's all. With you was, let's wait until it turns on already. So it took a long time to install. Well, accordingly you can use the program. That's all. I was with you until